What is the Pradhan Mantri Annadata Aay Sanrakshan Abhiyan? Pradhan Mantri Annadata Aay Sanrakshan Abhiyan is an umbrella scheme aimed at ensuring remunerative prices to the farmers for their produce. PM Asha has three components. Number 1, Price Support Scheme. Under the PSS, central nodal agencies will procure pulses, oilseeds, and copra with proactive role of state governments. The Food Corporation of India and the National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India will help implement the scheme. The procurement expenditure and losses due to procurement will be borne by the central government as per norms. The government will procure 25% of the marketable surplus from farmers for eligible crops. The centre has made a provision of about Rs 16,000 crores to be provided as bank guarantee for the agencies to procure from farmers. Number 2, Price Deficiency Payment Scheme. Under PDPS, it is proposed to cover all oilseeds for which MSP is notified. Direct payment of the difference between the MSP and the selling or modal price will be made to pre-registered farmers selling his produce in the notified market yard through a transparent auction process. All payments will be done directly into the registered bank account of the farmer. This scheme does not involve any physical procurement of crops, as farmers are paid the difference between the MSP and the sale or modal price on the disposal in the notified market. The support of the central government for PDPS will be given as per norms. Number 3, Pilot of Private Procurement and Stockist Scheme in lieu of PSS and PDPS. In certain pilot districts, the PPPS will be tried out. Private agencies will procure oilseeds in coordination with the government. The selected private agencies will procure the commodity at MSP in the notified markets during the notified period from the registered farmers in consonance with the guidelines. Whenever the prices in the market fall below the notified MSP and whenever authorized by the state or union territory government. Only one scheme, that is PSS or PDPS, may be made operational in one state with respect to one commodity. This brings us to the end of our video. We hope that you found it informative for your exam preparations. Please click on the like button, share our videos with your friends, and subscribe to Exact IAS on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching this. I will see you in our next.